Be honest. When you hear the word home-friendly budget, what emotion pops up? Is it excitement? No, it's usually dread. Most of us treat a budget like a crash diet. We cut out all the carbs, we swear off coffee shops, and we try to live on beans and rice for 30 days. And by day 5, we are ordering a $30 Uber Eats delivery because we feel deprived. Today, we are not doing that. We are hacking the psychology of your specific brain. By the end of this video, you won't feel like you're living in a financial prison. You'll feel like you're the CEO of your own cozy home.
Here is the science. Every time you spend money, your brain experiences a tiny shock of pain. It's called the pain of paying. It's why you hesitate to buy a $5 app, but you'll easily spend $25 on a credit card for lunch. When we budget at home, we usually try to stop physical spending, but the real leak is emotional spending. If you are tired, lonely, or bored, your brain produces less dopamine. Suddenly, that Amazon shopping cart looks like a happiness factory. The psychology hack, the 10-second rule. Instead of saying no to buying things, say wait. When you feel the urge to impulse buy, pause for 10 seconds. Ask, am I buying this to solve a problem or to feel a feeling? If it's a feeling, go hug your partner, pet your dog, or take a walk. The urge to spend will vanish in 60 seconds.
Most budgets fail because they ask you to budget what you have left over. That's reverse psychology. Let's say you get paid $1,000. The average person pays the rent, buys the groceries, and then says, if there is any left, I'll save it. Spoiler, there is never any left. The psychology hack, loss aversion. Humans hate losing things more than they love gaining things. So flip the script. Set up an auto transfer. The second your paycheck hits, move 10% to savings. Don't look at it, don't touch it. Your brain will immediately adjust. You will psychologically believe you only have $900 to spend. You can't miss what you never saw. A home-friendly budget isn't about spreadsheets. It's about autopilot.
Let's talk about the home part. We think we spend money outside the house. Actually, we hemorrhage money at home because of friction. The psychology hack? Reduce friction. A home-friendly budget means making the cheaper option the easiest option. Sunday night? Cut up the veggies. Put them at eye level in the fridge. Set up a cozy corner with a book and a charger. If your home is peaceful, you won't feel the need to spend money to escape it. The number one reason people quit budgeting? Guilt. You buy a $6 latte. Then you feel guilty. Then you feel like a failure. Then you say, well, I already ruined the budget. Might as well buy new shoes. Psychologists call this the what the hell effect. The solution? Radical permission. A home-friendly budget needs a line item called idiot money. Yes, that's the technical term. Give yourself $50 or $20 a month to waste on absolute nonsense. Trading cards, a weird candle, a video game skin. When you give your brain permission to be imperfect, the rebellion stops. You will actually spend less money overall because you aren't starving your inner child. Don't try to change 100 things at once. There is one psychological anchor to a great budget: the daily check-in. Every morning while your coffee brews, 30 seconds. Look at your bank balance. Just look. No judgment. Doing this removes the fear of money. When you aren't afraid of your numbers, you stop hiding from them. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need to be a human who understands their own brain. Stop trying to be perfect. Start trying to be peaceful. If you want to stop feeling broke and start feeling cozy, hit that subscribe button. And tell me in the comments, what is your idiot money item that you refuse to give up?